So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete a Wealthsimple account here inside of the Wealthsimple Trade mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the profile tab here on the bottom right. Press on that option right here. Then once you're on this screen, what I want you to do is go all the way down to where it says accounts right here. I press on accounts right here. So as you can tell, I have a non-registered account and a crypto account. If you want to delete one of these accounts, just go and I'll press on my crypto account, for example. Then at the bottom, you can go to where it says close account right here. I'm going to press on close account. And then it says, are you sure you want to close this account? Closing an account is permanent. You'll still be able to access tax documents, but you will need to open up a new account to regain functionality. Before you can close the account, make sure you have $0. Cancel all pending transfers, withdrawals, or deposits. So I'm going to go ahead and press on confirm and close account. It'll take a couple seconds, and there you go. I have now deleted my crypto account from my Wealthsimple Trade application. So that is how you guys can delete an account from Wealthsimple here in Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.